Cooking Counts is a 6-week programme that we put together, the Health Protection Team and the NHS Dietetics Power Teaching and Health Board. Also, we've had Public Health Wales be involved. So we started to do sessions around Eat Smart, Save Better, which was a one-day session where we were giving out bags of shopping and recipe books and showing how you can eat healthily whilst being on a budget. So that prepares 10 meals for a family of 4 for the cost of about £15. This was becoming really successful. Everybody was hearing about it, wanting us to do these sessions. So our head of service heard about the SPF fund, which is the multiply scheme. It's a government funding where if you can create projects and ways that you're able to build somebody's confidence or educate in maths, because what they were finding was, I think it was about a quarter, I'm not going to quote on the numbers, but there's a substantial amount of people that struggle with everyday maths, and they feel, and it stems from children being in primary schools as well, where they want to try and break the cycle and be able to build that confidence which can help people then go into work and just help them with everyday lives. And what we notice with cooking is there's a lot of numbers involved. So you've got weights, you've got measurements. With the Eat Smart, Save Better, we're using percentages and offers. So we've kind of created this project over 6 weeks, 6 sessions in total. And the aim of the project is to be able to improve on the math skills, basic maths, with the aim that it can help people with employability factor. We've had participants that are looking to go into childcare, looking to go into catering. We've got participants that are already in catering but then don't have that confidence with the number side.
The changes I've noticed in the participants really are they are becoming more enthusiastic, more involved in the group. There's a lot of fun and laughter involved in it. And they're a lot more, well, enthusiastic and prepared to try things. Whereas to start with, I don't like that at all. Well, try a little bit. Oh, do you know what? I do like it. So it's, you know, it's being prepared for experimentation. The social aspect of it is lovely, and we've got such a variety of people that have come, and in a small area like this there are often people that you see out and about as well, and even with the young boys they've called us over, hi, how are you, you know, are you well, are you coming next week? It's lovely and it's nice for the group. Maybe they don't meet other people socially so often. They've got a group here, and we can see every week the session goes on just a little bit longer because people are talking, having a cup of tea, just don't really want to go straight away, which is great, which is really nice.
Yes, I recommend to go to this class. For me, it's like practice English. It's like practice in the kitchen. I know more information about cooking than if I stay at home or maybe only speaking with people. And I go to class, it's like second time. Yes, it's my second class. I love it.